Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a basic baddie makeup, which is quite requested on Instagram at least, for the liner part and the new glossy lips. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Baddie makeup, it's not like a full-on wedding glam or something. I'm just gonna use concealer, no foundation or anything, like a very light layer of concealer but covering every single flaws. But for concealer, I'm going to be using this Recode Pro Conceal. This is in creamy beige. So now using a beauty blender, I'm just blending the concealer, and this is like a really medium to high coverage, which is a good thing because you also get a very light day-to-day coverage, yet you can build it more as you like. And this has been my go-to concealer forever. So next I'm going to be using a concealer which is a little bit light for my skin tone. This step is totally optional, you can skip. So for that I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in light beige and this is just for making my under eyes or the dark area pop a little bit more. Now everything is concealed, I know, but just for that extra bright effect. But I'm gonna use a very little amount because this is a very high coverage concealer, so you need to be careful with it. Set everything in place. I'm gonna be using a setting powder, and this is by MAC. This is a Studio Fix MAC compact powder in NC25. I'm just gonna take a powder brush and set my whole face with it. Now being a baddie is all about being bold, right? So for that I'm going to be using a contour or a bronzing powder, and I just have to say this one thing, as it is a baddie makeup, it is gonna be little less blush and more bronzed effect, because blush is considered to be like a lover girl makeup product, right? And contour is more bold and baddie types. So for that I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown bronzing powder. This is in deep, and I'm just going to contour my face with it and nose, especially because I have a fat nose. And I actually have a whole video on how to contour or bronze your face and bake according to your contour on my channel, so you can check that out as well. Or bronze, so the contour is going to be a little harsh than usual for me at least, and blush, which is my favorite product, is going to be really less. So I'm so sorry, but the camera just stopped filming while I was doing my contour, and I didn't notice it when I did my blush and eyebrows as well. So I'm just going to tell you what all I used and how I used it, like orally. So now for blush, I used the Maybelline Fit Me blush powder. This is in 40 Proud and it looks like this. This is a light to medium to high coverage product, which is absolutely literally the best, and it is my favorite. I'm obsessed with it. I used it very lightly. As you can see, the bronzing effect is looking a lot more than the blush, which is exactly what we need. So for eyebrows, I don't do anything. I'm so sorry, but I don't know what is happening with my camera right now. I really don't know. I literally did the whole eye right here, and it just recording just got deleted somehow. Like I saw it was recording, but it just got deleted. So for eyebrows that I was talking about, I used this Europe Girl Paris eyebrow palette. It has 3 different shades, and these are the shades. I used the middle one right here, the dark brown, and I just filled the empty spot. For the eyeshadow part, I used the Huda Beauty Naughty Nudes palette. I just used this one particular color called Rough all over my eye. So as you can see, I use this all over my eye, especially my lower lash line as well. And then I just went with eyeliner. For eyeliner, I used the Recode sketch pen liner. It literally looks like a sketch pen. And now I'm just gonna show you how to do this eyeliner on this eye. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna line all over my eye, but a really thin line. I don't want a thick eyeliner because that does not look good for a baddie makeup. It is like a really, bold yet classy and elegant. Not the wings, just the eye. So this is for the eye literally. Now I'm just gonna go in with the inner wing right here. If you have problems doing siren eye, because this is the siren eye wing, you can check out the siren eye tutorial on my channel. I have it. And plus inner wings are like easier than the outer wings, and then they just boost your confidence for the outer wing. So I prefer doing the inner wings first. Now that the wing is complete, I want you to stretch it all like right here on the lower lash line, just a little bit. Okay, here it is. Now for the outer wing, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna follow this really light eyeshadow line that you see. Just follow it and make like a an elongated wing, which with my eye shape goes perfectly because I have Asian eyes. And that is it for the wing. Now for the last part of the eye, I want you to take a brown eyeliner or kajal. This is by Recode and this is in Epic Brown. Now you just have to line your lower lash line with it very lightly, not like a kajal, but like the hint of deepness and darkness in your eyes. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and then put mascara, and that is it for the eye. So for mascara, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. This is so good. This is literally the most affordable yet amazing mascaras out there, and I love it. I have been using it since years now and I just can't stop. Blaming everybody and you screaming. Now coming on to lips, and for lip liner I'm gonna be using this Kylie Cosmetics Lip Liner. This is in the shade, this is actually from a lip kit named Kylie. I'm using the lip liner from that kit. Oh my god, I'm in love with Kylie Jenner and her line, obviously. So the liner is all on. I do overline from the middle of the lips, as you can see. So now for lipstick, I'm going to be using this Maybelline lipstick. This is in Nude Nuance or Nude. I really don't know how to pronounce. I'm really sorry, but this is it. You can also check the description for the shade name properly. I'm just gonna dab the lipstick. I'm not gonna drag it. Just dabbing it lightly in the middle. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this MAC highlighter. This is the Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. Doing inner corners is so important. Like, I don't think anybody understands, because I always see the skin is super glowy and it is full of highlighter and it is really nice, but then when it comes to inner corner, it is just literally nothing. And as you can see, it just made my eyes pop a lot. So that is why highlighter in the inner corner is really important. Alright, so this is the final result. This is the basic baddie makeup, or at least my idea of the basic baddie makeup. I did use a lip gloss. In the end, I just felt like it, and lip gloss is more fun. I know I'm a matte lip girl, but I don't know, recently lip gloss has, I don't know, it just has some control over me. I really love it. So the lip gloss that I used is this Sugar Pop clear lip gloss. This just got a little brown in the end because I've been using it a lot, and obviously on the lipstick. So even after wiping it, it just it just happens. Like, the clear lip glosses are really hard and difficult to maintain clear. But I hope you guys liked this makeup tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you'd wish to see from me next, and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll be really happy if you come along with my YouTube journey. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So till then, take care. Bye.